In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video background without green screen in Canva. We'll walk through the exact process from start to finish, so you can swap out a busy or boring background with something clean and on brand even if you didn't shoot with a green screen. First, open your project in Canva. If you already have a design started, open that. If not, create a new video design so your canvas matches the size you want. Upload your video clip into Canva's Uploads panel. Then drag it onto the timeline or canvas. You should see your video appear on the canvas. Ready to edit. Next, select the video on the canvas to bring up the top toolbar. Click Edit Video, then choose BG Remover. Canva will scan your clip and automatically separate your subject from the background. This may take a moment depending on your video lengths and complexity. When it finishes, play a few seconds to confirm your subject remains crisp around the edges. Busy hair or motion can be trickier, but the tool does a solid job in most cases. Now it's time to replace the background. Decide whether you want a still image or a video background. You can upload your own files or browse Canva's library for options that match your style. Drag your chosen background onto the canvas. You'll see it layer into your design with your subject still in front. Consider backgrounds that complement your subject's lighting and perspective soft. Slightly blurred scenes often look more natural behind a talking head, while motion graphics add energy for intros and promos. With the background in place, click the new image or video and select Set Image as Background or Set Video as Background. This snaps it to the full canvas and places it behind your subject, so everything sits correctly in the frame. Scrub the timeline and preview a few moments to make sure the background fills the scene throughout and that your subject remains the focus. When you are happy with the result, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download and select MP4. MP4 is a great all-around format that preserves motion and keeps file sizes manageable. Start the download, let Canva render, and save the file to your device. Once it's finished, give it a quick playthrough to confirm everything looks smooth and polished. That's it. Thanks for watching.